Alam mo ba na kasal yung father mo at saka mother mo?
Naitanong ko rin po sa kanya, sabi po niya sa akin, hindi po sila kasal.
Bakit nakalagay sa birth certificate na kasal? Married October 14, 1982, Angelito Go and Amelia Lial.
Senwid, wala pa akong idea po doon sa birth certificate ko po, na hindi po ako yung nag-prepare po ng birth certificate ko po.
You did not prepare the birth certificate. Okay, andun na tayo. Pero at least you should have asked your father na bakit ganito. Sabi mo, kasambahay siya. Eh kung kasambahay siya, eh bakit kasal kayo? Bago ka pinanganak, kasal na sila. And then lumilitaw sa birth certificate, kasal din siya. Iba-iba yung date ng kasal ng father mo dito sa mother, supposedly mother mo. So parang twice kinasal yung mother mo dito kay Amelia. Hindi mo ba tinanong sa papa mo yung discrepancy? I would have asked it, especially ikaw, mayora ka na. You didn't ask that.
Your Honor, hindi po kasi namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay regarding...
I don't think
Opo.
so. I don't think so. You bilang nasa public service na holding a higher office at LGU, you would have been curious. Di ba? Kasi sabi mo, sooner or later, ito'y mauungkat, ito'y tatanungin sa akin. Kailangan ready ako sagutin yan. I should tell the truth and you should have anticipated the fact na ikaw ay balang araw mapapatawag sa isang hearing tulad nito. So in this case, you are not prepared. Halatang may mga butas ng my statement mo kasi you should have asked your father, Dad, kung ako'y love child, how come na kasal pala kayo ng nanay ko? Eh, tapos panay sabi mo na nabuntis lang at pagkatapos ng mabuntis, tumakas na. Umalis na yung nanay mo. Eh, hindi, lumilitaw dito. Nagpakasal pa ulit yung papa mo sa mama mo. So, you should have asked that. Come on, Dad, give me a break. Tell the truth. I deserve the truth, right? Mayura ka eh. Oh, you didn't ask that? I don't believe you.
Your Honor, yan po yung truth. Hindi po namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay. Medyo sensitive po yung topic po, kaya hindi po talaga namin
But you're
pinag-uusapan
not
sa bahay.
interested about the history of you and your family. Well, that is very important. Sabi ko nga, tumatakbo ka at nasa public office ka. Diba? So, in your case, hindi niyo pinag-usapan. Are you willing to undergo a lie detector test?
Yes po, Your Honor.